that garlic can treat or cure yeast infection in your V? It is commonly widespread. Many people do that and many people use it, but again, some people, they don't know how to use it. At the end of the day, they get complications and they end up going to the hospital to get further help. So today I'm here to tell you the reason why you shouldn't insert in garlic in your V to treat yeast infection, but instead you're going to be doing this to help you heal and also prevent yeast infection from happening. Welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. And mainly, if you love this video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up and leave your comment under the comment section down below. Let's get into the purpose of this video.
You'll find a lot of people telling you how special and important garlic is. To some people who use garlic to treat yeast infection by inserting it into the V, the honest truth is that inserting any foreign object in the flour may cause you further complications or even worsen an infection. So today I'm going to be showing you on how you can still use the same ingredient but in a healthier way. So you're going to open your garlic because you need like 4 to 3 to 5 cloves of your garlic. Yeah, so for garlic to even have any medical effect, it has to be crushed or chopped. So putting a whole clove in your V will do nothing except expose your inflamed V to the possible bacteria, because even sometimes it can be stuck in there and you fail to get it out. So sometimes medically, sometimes if at all someone tells you to use it, they'll tell you to crush, because garlic, it has some that water, and that water is great for your V about treating yeast, because it has the powerful agents, I think, because that's why even some people widely use it. Yeah, so yeast infection, sometimes people will tell you about home remedies about yeast infections. I have come across many claims that inserting in garlic clove or paste from using actually raw garlic into your V will help you feel better fast. So the first thing here, you see I'm getting my warm water. Actually, get your hot water. You're going to get your hot water, then you dip in your cloves. You can decide to chop them, or you can non-chop them, or you can cut them in between, just to also get the ingredients and the garlic to go into the water. I don't know, maybe if to dissolve into the water. And you're going to leave this water to sit or rest for 2 good hours. For 2 good hours until it cools down. Then you can start using this water. But how are you going to use this water? After 2 hours, your water will be ready to use. Your garlic will be down. Just add in 1 teaspoon of your salt, then mix this with your water until it dissolves. Then you'll just get a clean towel, then place it in the area and leave it for 10 minutes. Then after you clean the area with another clean towel, you can do this in the morning and also in the evening. If you do take a steam bath, sometimes with salt or apple cider vinegar or any other remedy while treating your yeast infection, don't soak for more than 10 minutes. Don't soak for more than 10 minutes. So the natural ingredients that is in the garlic, antifungal properties, could help clean up the uncomfortable condition which is caused by overgrowth of candida yeast. Thank you for watching, guys.
There are only few things which are supposed to go into your V, but vegetables are not one of them. Hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I always enjoy teaching you and learning from you sometimes. But please don't forget to leave a comment under the comment section down below if you've ever used this kind of remedy. Please, let's meet again. I'll see you in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.